Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel, Beauty Over 50. So what are we talking about today? An Amazon clothing haul. I have never bought anything off of Amazon until recently, and see if we can find some other gems. Without further ado, let's get this lookbook going. Let's go ahead and start with the shirt that I have on. It is a beautiful kind of burgundy red, probably showing up a little more rust on the camera, but it's a little bit on the burgundy side. And I just love the shoulders. I just think it's so pretty how that they're just cut out and they just kind of glide down the arm, and I think it's just really pretty. Very nice, good quality. I bought this in a size small, so I did size down on this particular brand. The next thing that I bought was this cute little tank, and it has this really beautiful little detail here, and I thought that was just lovely. I had ordered this in a medium, and it's a little big, so I went and reordered another one. So let's get to unboxing. So the next is the black version from Halo in a size small with that print. I think this is just so pretty. So I'm gonna try that on for you guys, and I'm just trying everything on with the same jeans and the same boots. Okay, so this is a tank in a gorgeous emerald green. Emerald green is such a hard color to find, and it looks so good on redheads, dark hair, blonde hair. So it just has the crisscross in the front, and it's a tank. I did order it in a size small, and this is the brand, and I really am quite impressed. So I'll go ahead and try this on for you guys, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, let's open up the next item. And this is from a different brand. This is called Zoe and Chen, and it is a bathing suit cover-up. I just recently purchased this gorgeous bathing suit from Becca, and it is green, so I thought this would be very pretty. Obviously it is see-through, so you could certainly wear this, I think, as a tunic. But we'll go ahead and try that on and see what it looks like. Okay, next is this really cute long sleeve shirt, and it is done with a black, and then it has sort of a navy floral print on the like around the neck, on the shoulders, then there'll be a gap, and then it comes a little bit down the arm. It's really, really cute. I got this in a small as well, so we'll try this on and see what it looks like. All right, next is a dress, and it is this stunning cobalt blue color, and then it has this elastic here. It's a front and back V. It can cinch here at the shoulders and tie, and I thought it would be perfect for summer. I mean, it's just, spring is coming. It's so cute, so let's give it a try. Okay, and then the last item is a dress as well. This is in a navy. This is just a really cute like peasant dress. It's done in a blue. It has a side zipper and also on the other side. So both sides, and you can wear it you know, just around here where it's strapless, or there are armholes so that you could put it up or wear one up, one down. So let's give this one a try. And I'm gonna try the dresses on with a pair of shoes that I just got off of Nordstrom, Charles David, and they are so cute. I haven't even had a chance to, I'm literally unboxing them with you guys. I bought them for summer. I was looking for a beautiful pair of wedge shoes, and I thought these were so pretty. They're done in this beautiful suede. They are so pretty how they just make this beautiful curve up the foot, wraps around the ankle. There's a buckle here. There's give right here, so there's a little bit of elastic to fit the foot. So we'll try the dress on with these. So let's go through with what I'm going to keep and what I'm sending back. And I'm sorry guys, I have a cold that's trying to get me, but I swear I've been drinking echinacea tea like crazy because I do not want to get sick. So let's go ahead and start with the shirts. This one I'm wearing, love it. I'm gonna see if they have other colors. I think it's just I think it's really edgy and yet sophisticated. The quality feels great. It feels wonderful on. The price point was phenomenal. And as always, I'll list everything in the description box. As far as the tank tops, I showed you, this was the black. This one was a small. The maroon was a medium. I would say size down. And this is the brand, H-A-O-L-A. In that particular brand, I would size down for sure. So I'm keeping both of them, even though the other one's a little bit big. I thought they were really cute. I think they look very elegant. Just love those. The green with the little crisscrosses in the front, the tank, love this. I have this in a tank, a short sleeve, and a long sleeve. And I love them all. Again, the same brand, very, very cute. What's going back is the long sleeve shirt. Very, very cute, but there was just, the sleeves weren't long enough. They kind of went to about here, and I just don't like that. I like a very, very long sleeve, and it was a little just tight in this area so that there's no give to it in here where the rest of the shirt does. So for that reason, it's going back. I may later try a larger size. I did get a small in this. This is not by Heyola, so that could possibly be the problem. The green cover-up, swim cover-up, just wasn't really fun. Just didn't rock my boat. It has to rock my boat. And then the navy blue dress that goes off the shoulder, I was blown away by this dress. Like, so cute. It looks adorable with the Charles David wedges, which are right here. Oh guys, pick these up. Stunningly gorgeous. I love the detail of how it just, you know, curves up the foot and just adds such interest. So it's just beautiful, perfect for spring and summer. And this dress is stunning. I just threw on a silver necklace and I was like, dang. I love how it's cut like a shirt dress. So the bottom hem goes like this, as well as the back, and then there's slits up both sides. Just beautiful. I love it. The cobalt blue, I love the color. What I'm still on the fence about is the embroidery, but it wasn't one that just blew my socks off like the navy. I was just so pleasantly surprised. I mean, I feel like I could have got that dress at Nordstrom's. It just has this awesome quality to it, and I really like it. So I was shocked. Amazon, I never would have guessed it in a million years, so I'm really excited to try more clothing and share it with you guys, because there's some just amazing pieces out there. And I just wanted to pick up some clothes getting ready to move into spring and summer, and so I was just really surprised. I hope you enjoyed the Amazon unboxing, and as always, if you are subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if there is a store or a brand that you want me to try with a lookbook, just put it in the comment section. I'm happy to try it out. You know, us over 50-year-old women, we need to look good too. So so let me know, guys. I'm always open for suggestions, and you don't have to be over 50 to give me a suggestion, that's for sure. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel and these videos are of interest, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Bye.